Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Invest in Your Health. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for valuable health tips. Today, we're sharing our top 10 anti-aging foods for a youthful look and feel. Let's dive in. Blueberries act as an anti-aging food due to their high antioxidant content, which neutralizes free radicals and reduces oxidative stress that can damage cells and DNA. Their anti-inflammatory properties, derived from compounds like resveratrol, quercetin, and pterostilbene, help combat chronic inflammation and protect against age-related diseases. Blueberries also support cognitive health by improving brain function and protecting against age-related cognitive decline, thanks to anthocyanins and other phytochemicals. These berries promote cardiovascular health by lowering blood pressure, reducing cholesterol levels, and improving blood vessel function. Furthermore, blueberries help regulate blood sugar levels and enhance insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Overall, blueberries' various nutrients and properties make them a powerful anti-aging food that supports overall health. Avocados are a nutrient-dense fruit known for their numerous health benefits, particularly in promoting healthy skin. They are rich in monounsaturated fats, which help maintain skin suppleness and hydration, contributing to a more youthful appearance. These healthy fats also play a role in reducing inflammation and supporting overall skin health. Avocados are a good source of vitamins E and C, both of which are essential for maintaining healthy skin. Vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant, helps protect the skin from the damaging effects of UV rays and environmental stressors, while vitamin C is crucial for collagen production, a protein responsible for skin elasticity and firmness. By providing essential nutrients and antioxidants, avocado supports skin health, enhance its appearance, and contribute to a more youthful and radiant complexion. Spinach is a highly nutritious leafy green vegetable that offers numerous benefits for skin health. It is abundant in antioxidants, which neutralize free radicals and combat oxidative stress, preventing cellular damage and premature aging of the skin. Spinach is also a great source of vitamins A, C, and E, all of which contribute to maintaining healthy skin. Vitamin A promotes skin cell turnover and helps maintain its barrier function, protecting against environmental stressors. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis, ensuring skin retains its elasticity and firmness. Vitamin E, a potent antioxidant, further supports skin health by reducing inflammation and protecting it from the harmful effects of UV radiation. Incorporating spinach into one's diet can, therefore, contribute to a more youthful, radiant complexion and overall healthier skin. Salmon, a nutrient-dense fish, is valued for its high omega-3 fatty acid content, which offers numerous health benefits. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, including in the skin, promoting a youthful appearance. These fatty acids also support collagen production, maintaining skin elasticity and preventing wrinkles. The anti-inflammatory properties of omega-3s protect against UV damage and premature aging from sun exposure. In addition to skin benefits, omega-3s in salmon contribute to healthy brain function and cardiovascular health. By lowering blood pressure, reducing inflammation, and improving blood vessel function, these fatty acids promote overall health and well-being when salmon is included in a balanced diet. Almonds are a nutrient-dense tree nut that offer numerous health benefits. They are particularly rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that safeguards skin cells from the harmful effects of free radicals and environmental pollutants, thus promoting healthier, more youthful-looking skin. In addition to vitamin E, almonds are packed with healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats that help maintain skin hydration and support its natural barrier function. These fats contribute to the skin's suppleness and elasticity, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Moreover, almonds are a good source of dietary fiber, protein, and essential minerals like magnesium, which play a role in maintaining overall skin health. Regular consumption of almonds as part of a balanced diet can contribute to improved skin texture and complexion. Furthermore, almonds can be incorporated into skincare routines in the form of almond oil or almond milk, providing direct topical benefits to the skin. Green tea is a healthy beverage rich in antioxidants, specifically polyphenol. These antioxidants fight inflammation and oxidative stress, promoting overall wellness. Green tea also offers skin protection against UV damage caused by sun exposure, preventing premature aging and other harmful effects. Drinking green tea or using it topically can contribute to healthier, more resilient skin. Tomatoes are nutrient-dense fruits that offer various health benefits. They are particularly rich in lycopene, a potent antioxidant that shields skin from environmental damage and harmful UV radiation. This protection helps to prevent premature aging and maintain overall skin health. Additionally, tomatoes contain vitamin C, an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in collagen production. Collagen is a vital protein that gives skin its structure, firmness, and elasticity. Incorporating tomatoes into your diet can contribute to healthier, more resilient skin while supporting collagen synthesis for a youthful appearance. Olive oil is a heart-healthy oil derived from olives, known for its high content of monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. One notable antioxidant in olive oil is vitamin E, which aids in protecting skin from free radical damage, preventing premature aging. These healthy fats and antioxidants work together to keep skin moisturized and maintain its natural barrier function. Incorporating olive oil into your diet or using it topically can lead to healthier, more hydrated skin, while also providing protection against environmental damage. Dark chocolate, when made from high-quality ingredients, is rich in antioxidants known as flavonoids. These compounds offer various health benefits for the skin, such as improving elasticity and hydration by stimulating collagen production. Additionally, flavonoids help reduce inflammation, which can minimize skin redness and irritation. They also provide protection against UV damage, acting as a natural shield against harmful sun exposure. Overall, consuming haichu. Red bell peppers are a valuable source of antioxidants, particularly vitamin C, which offers numerous skin benefits. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in supporting collagen production, a protein responsible for maintaining skin's firmness and elasticity. As an antioxidant, vitamin C also helps combat inflammation, reducing skin redness and irritation. In addition to these benefits, vitamin C aids in protecting the skin from UV damage by neutralizing free radicals generated from sun exposure. Incorporating red bell peppers into your diet can contribute to healthier, more vibrant skin, thanks to their high vitamin C content. Incorporating these anti-aging foods into your diet can help to maintain healthy, youthful skin and overall wellness by fighting inflammation, promoting collagen production, and protecting against environmental and UV damage. That's our top 10 anti-aging foods. Remember, a balanced diet is key for a radiant appearance. Like, share, and comment your favorite anti-aging food below. Stay tuned for more health tips from Invest in Your Health. Take care and stay healthy.